right, this is a quick explanation of the binomial theorem problem from the other day. They gave you this and asked you to list the next row in Pascal's triangle, and it would have been 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. And if I went above it, the one before would have been 1, 3, 3, 1, and the one before that would have been 1, 2, 1, and the one before that would have just been a couple of ones, and the tippy top one is its own little one. So this is Pascal's triangle, and the reason the next question said hence or otherwise is this row in Pascal's triangle gives us the 6 coefficients to the expansion of something to the 5th power, which means that I don't need to worry about using the NCR combination. I can just go, well, the first coefficient would be 1, and this, whatever's in the front here, gets raised to all of the power, which is 5th power, plus coefficient of 5. The 2x loses a power, so now it's 2x to the 4th. The 3 gets a single power. I'm kind of writing, some of these I don't write, like I wouldn't write the 1 and I wouldn't write a power 1 here, but it's kind of show you what's going on. Then this is 10, and the 2x now has a cube, and the 3 would have a squared, and I could keep going. The next one would be another 10, and the 2x is just going to be squared plus, sorry, not plus, times 3 cubed, and that kind of winds down. So this, whatever expression is the front, starts with all of the exponent, all 5, and then each step of the way it drops 1 until the very end it won't be in it at all. Just like the 3, the determine the back isn't in the first expression, but it shows up in each subsequent one with an increase in powers. Now this question asks us to find the term with x cubed, and so the reason I stopped is I can look at this. This would give me x to the 5th, x to the 4th. This would give me x cubed, so this is the one I want. And then I need to simplify it, which is 10. This 2 does pick up that exponent of 3, so that would be 8. This 3 gets squared times 9. I'm just putting all my coefficients in front of my x cubed, and 8 times 9 is 72. 72 times 10 is 720x cubed. And it asks for the term, so I give it the whole thing. If it asks for the coefficient, I would just say 720. And what some of you did, which was not wrong at all, is instead of using this information that you've done in part A to come up with these coefficients, you were doing, okay, I know what this is going to be, 5, choose 0. That equals 1. This would be 5, choose 1. That equals 5. This one was 5, choose 2. That equals 10. In this pattern, notice that the exponent on the back term is always a match of what's the choose underneath the big exponent from your actual expansion. All right, if you have any other questions about binomial expansion, if this looks completely unfamiliar or you need any other help, please reach out because I'm going to make you do more of these.